Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I've worked with this colour combo on two other pieces that I've finished and I just absolutely love it. So I have this little 25 by 25 canvas and I just want to quickly show you. I'm going to explain as I go along. Often I get asked the pegs that you get in with your canvases. All of my canvases are purchased and they're already pre-gessoed, meaning they're pre-treated, so no need to have a base coat. Even though in fluid art we use a base coat, especially if you're gonna blow out or swipe or do basically anything, because it's fluid art, it makes your paint flow. So that's why fluid artists will still put, whether it be white, black, green, blue, a coat on the bottom. So that's what those little pegs are for, is to stretch your canvas out. But I have found that it doesn't always, they just fall out, some of them. So don't sweat the small stuff. If they just fall out, it'll tighten up with the amount of fluid paint on it from the acrylic fluid. This is if you want to keep the bottom, if you want to keep the bottom clean of the canvas, you just use masking. And it's not a good idea to put the masking tape on while you've got gloves on, because as you see, oh geez Louise, it just causes a whole lot of problems. So I'll take my glove off, try again. So just quickly, it'll just keep the back of your canvas clean. It's not okay if you're not going to sell that piece of art or anything like that, then it doesn't, you're just doing it for your own, then it doesn't matter if you don't try and make your back of your canvas all nice and neat. But it is nice if you're selling it or even if you're gifting it, to just make that extra effort that the back of your canvas is kept clean. So next stage, I'm going to just get my trusty little cake cooling rack and I'm going to pop this one on there. So no biggie, and then I will continue on with my next bit. But I know so many people have asked me, so here we go. Very simply put this white. As I said, it doesn't need a base colour, but as in fluid art you need to, or you want your paint to flow, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to just add, this was some leftover, it's like it's very sparkly. I'm not sure what colour you would actually call that, but it's like a mauvey purple, I guess. And of course my champagne. And this is so I create a bit of a different background. Now, if it doesn't blow out because I haven't got enough paint on it, then I will swipe it. Actually, I think I'm going to just use my Duvalaki to swipe it. Oh, that's nice, hey? It's always nice to create a bit of a different background than just a plain. So that's going to really sparkle. Really sparkle. So my next thing is now is to use these absolute gorgeous colours, which I'm going to put some more white. I'm going to sort of do this composition like that. Then my champagne, 50% gold, 50% silver. My silly dogs. And this one is just the metallic gold, so with nothing added, nothing taken away. Now my special mix was my very deep cherry that's been sitting there maybe for 8 months in this bottle, like ages. What did I want to do first? Just a little bit of this to start with. Let's blow this out as naughty dogs. We'll be just adding a bit of this around the edges to kind of just blow out with my straw. No. Let's hope the magic happens with this. Bear with me and watch it till the end, because it will change from what you see now, I assure you all. So that was my Berry Delicious, and this is the gold. So I have done this variation of this in greens, and that is absolutely beautiful, even though I'm not a green lover. So here we go. I might just put a little bit of the purple, or the berry, should I say. Now for my little bit of magic. Oh yes. Yes, you can put your balloon kisses directly onto balloon stock or another canvas or onto this wax paper to get a gorgeous other print off it. I just find these really sweet little gifts to give instead of a card. And another thing you can do is, if you're very familiar with your town shopkeepers, and you just one day when you're going in for a coffee in the cafe or a gift shop, just gift the shop owner one of your paintings as a gift, and thank you for always being pleasant to me, or something you can say when you gift them, because we've got lovely friendly town that the people are so lovely in the shops here, and you really do put a smile on their dial when you do things like that. I want to gift my butcher one. There literally are big butch men in there, and I think, what will they think if I give them that? But I haven't done it yet, but I so want to. What do you guys think, a yay or a nay? Well, they think I'm crazy. Remember, I'm living in a country town, so it's a little bit different here than the city. Oh, that is gorgeous, and especially with this really sparkly backdrop there. I love it, love it, love it. I just can't get enough of this Berry Delicious. Just drop a little bit in there to balloon kiss once again. Just love it. Oh, it's really nice and rich, that particular mix was. I will probably paint around the edges once it's dry. I'm not going to attempt it at the moment, but that is a really sweet little piece. You can either leave it exactly as it is. When it's dry, you can put an art transfer with some nice wording in it. So many options for these. You can have it printed up much larger as long as you get a high definition photo. So many options for these sweet little paws, and I really hope that you enjoyed this particular colour combo. I don't think I've done this colour combo for a long time. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I very often am, but I'm super happy with that. But wait on for the next video. I'll add a shorter video doing a different colour combo on the end of this. But my lovelies, please take care. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. Or if that isn't available to you, then certainly a helpline. Bye for now.
Side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green in all the colors. Summer love. Riverday canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air-conditioned